One of the most common pitfalls encountered when deploying AI agents is that agentic systems, they can seem impressive as they are shown and demonstrated, but then once you start working with them, it doesn't really live up to the hopes and expectations people had. It is common to hear people complain about AI slop or low quality output. People quickly can lose trust in the AI and the system, and then the adaptation becomes lower and not living up to standards. A hard-learned lesson from this reoccurring problem with too low quality output is that company needs to invest in agent development, just like you're investing in your employees' development. A business leader explained it this way: so deploying AI agents is more like hiring new employees than implementing a software system. It is becoming a new and important leadership skill to give good briefs, to give continuous feedback, and to set useful KPIs for agentic AI and agents so they become effective and improve regularly. Now in 2026, a lesson is clear. Better results won't come from AI tools alone, but from how leaders choose to deploy and lead AI. Especially important is how to engage the people in driving the scaling of AI and developing a culture where humans and AI are inclined to collaborate and help each other succeed and improve the results of companies or organizations.